What work secret did you accidentally find out that changed everything? The clothes make the man. I was that IT guy in jeans and a band shirt, head freshly shaved, arms covered in tattoos. It didn't matter, it was just me. I had a decent job, and the people I worked for in the communications department loved me for being weird. Then we reorganized the company, and I wound up supporting web servers and hating my life, but the job market sucked and there wasn't a lot of opportunity in the outside world. Then they sold off my job through the magic of corporate outsourcing. People who support web servers don't have to be in the same country, and Costa Rica had a whole mess of people just dying to do my terrible, soulless job, and the company let me know that they were selling off my job, and I'd be gone by the end of the year. I had never been jobless, and I was the sole source of income for a bunch of people, and I was scared. I kept applying for jobs that would better use my legitimate skill and intelligence, but I didn't even get an interview. Luckily, the company had vastly misunderstood my job,